about the live video in a bit, but first up, I'm going to jump into the topic about Fame Talent League and Fame app is around building your personal brand, right? That is the biggest trend in 2015 and 2016. How you build your personal brand. So I'm going to go to two gentlemen, one lady and a gentleman. डर लग रहा है कि कहीं से बंदूक
स्टिल दादा वो स्टिल दादा
I'm going to go to you guys and find out what
ओ दादा
amazing tips for building a personal
अरे यार
with the plethora of apps that one has.
हेलो
Yes, please.
I don't know. I think the internet seems to become really involved. It wasn't. Yeah, I guess it's no, but it's fun. It's fun, especially on a thing like this. What happens is you log on at a particular time. People are waiting for you, and these are the people who buy tickets and watch our movies. So for me, I mean, I don't know about others. For me, I'm always really excited to chat with people. There's a high school boy from Aligarh who wants good luck for his exams. So there's a housewife from Bangalore who wants to know how to do up the eyes without looking like it's too much makeup. It's all those things. So they're very small and personal, and I like the fact that it's one-on-one and it's instant.
It's actually one to many, but yeah, it's quite intimate.
Yeah.
It's very intimate, and it's real time.
Yeah.
Absolutely. What about you?
Yeah, it's very intimate. So
Okay. but इसके पीछे कुछ है? Raz, something you should help me do.
इसके पीछे कुछ नहीं, इसके पीछे ये है कि like with this live streaming and stuff like that, it's really important these days कि हम लोग again, like Richa said कि it's really important for us who are into films, who are into filmmaking and stuff. We get to know a lot what our fans
feedback.
The real feedback from the fans.
Not filtered, not fabricated.
ऑब्जेक्शनल चीज़ें थोड़ी सी फिल्टर होती हैं उसके अलावा आई थिंक जो भी चीज़ें वो लोग जानना चाहते हैं हमारे बारे में सो इट्स लाइक नथिंग इज फिल्टर्ड सो आई मीन दैट्स द ब्यूटी ऑफ इट एंड यू गेट टू नो कि एक्चुअली वो क्या चाहते हैं क्या आपसे चाहते हैं क्या आपको किस चीज़ में किस रोल में भी देखना चाहते हैं फॉर इंस्टेंस सो आई थिंक दैट्स द ब्यूटी ऑफ लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग एंड एप्स लाइक दिस
Awesome. Okay. Actually something that she said that it's great for people to film community. What about brands? Sanjay and Devendra, I'm going to come to you guys and let you all answer that. Today, brands, of course, they have monologues ranting about how your girlfriend dumped you and whatever else.
That was my dream. Yeah.
Doing this was your dream.
Yeah.
Dude, you had some bad breakups then. I'm kidding.
No, it's not the case. I wanted to be a footballer.
A footballer?
Yeah. So can I live stream while playing football?
Absolutely. मतलब preferably phone लेके मत.
Phone पे किट मार दिया तो.
Phone नहीं. So you can have some
live streaming वहाँ पहुँचे.
You can have some. You have these cool harnesses, chest harness.
Yeah.
वहाँ पे phone लगा दिया and you can actually see a point of view. But as a matter of fact, the Mumbai City FC, the Mumbai City Football Club, they have their account live on the Fame app, and every time they go reverse, they are in the nets, or they even playing a match, they're up on the Fame app.
That's cool. I'll be a part of it.
Absolutely. That's very good. What about you, Richa? Growing up, always wanted to be an actress? या कोई ऐसी कलाएं, कुछ ऐसे talents हैं that you wanted to,
Like what?
I don't know. ये मतलब.
You introduced me only saying के लूँगा तो what do you want? Whatever. I always wanted to act. I think I was born to do it. And really, if you have that kind of clarity about what you want to do, there's nothing else you can do. I couldn't be a chef or a banker or anything because this was what I was meant to do.